Ever wonder what it looks like inside the Rivian bed with the bedliner removed? Let's check this out. This is at EV Sportline, and we're doing a really big Overlander build. As part of that build, we're running plumbing for a water system, electrical, all through behind the bedliner. So we've got to pull all this out. And I thought it'd be cool to share just so you could see what it looks like with the bedliner out. Pretty interesting stuff in there. Kind of looks like a fuel filter there, even though it's not. But soon enough, that's gonna have our electrical. There's some of our electrical wiring right there for the light bars. And then we're gonna have water. We've got a water system and a water heater getting plumbed into the back of this truck. Let me take a look and show you at some of this build. So this is the bed rack that's going in. That's part of our water heater system and the rack that goes with it. There's the water tank. We've got solar, we've got auxiliary power. That's the side awning. The truck, of course, already has our beadlock wheels, our rock sliders. We've got the Rough Racks roof rack up here, Morimoto 2-banger light bar, custom mounted on the front. Up front, we've got refrigerator and freezer. These are from EV Sportline. So these are hardwired in. That's the freezer, that's the refrigerator. These are really nice units. And then we've got a full-on EXO swing base camp kitchen from Yakima going on the back with a bike mount. This thing's got it all. All right, make sure you stay tuned to this channel. Like this video, drop a comment below. Let us know what else you want to see. We'll have this full build finished, put together, and posted soon.